y'all, welcome back to my channel. I want to say thank you to those of you who really genuinely support me. I have some really loyal supporters and I love you guys so much for that. I appreciate you so much. I love you guys so much. I really do. And also, I have a request. I need you guys to give me some questions for a get to know me because I really want to do one. But I never know what questions to answer. I guess I can just look up some, but I would feel better if y'all ask me some, so I know it's something y'all actually want to know. You guys can just scroll down and ask me a question really quick and then scroll back up and continue watching to see how I got this look. I want to go ahead and prime with my medium beige LA Girl concealer. From the matte book, I'm grabbing the red and I'm going to pack that into my crease, and then I'm going to use this orange over here to blend it out. So I'm using a large blending brush with no product in it, just to make sure everything is blended together. So from the same palette, I'm taking the burgundy and we're going to put that in my crease. I'm gonna just take a little bit of this gold eyeshadow from my Princessa Azteca palette. I'm cutting my crease halfway with my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Foundation in F1. So if y'all want to, you can clean off your eyelid with the white first, or like a Q-tip with some makeup remover on it, so your concealer will be white and not pink. But I don't really care about mine being pink, so yeah. So you want to try to blend it with your finger a little bit first. At least that's what I do. Taking the same burgundy we used earlier in our crease. I'm taking this glitter pigment from Almost Cosmetics in the shade Gold Showers, and I'm putting it all over my eyelid. Okay, so that's how the pigment looks. So let me just add some mascara right quick. I line my crease with some yellow liquid liner from NYX, but I'm not really sure if I'm gonna be able to do it on camera or not because I had to like rearrange my whole sitting area. And long story short, my desk is behind my ring light because I was too far away from it, and this is not like I can get close enough in the light, so I don't have anything to like look into because I need both my hands. So I'm gonna have to go do this part off camera and then I'll be back. I just went ahead and put some of the yellow eyeliner in my crease, and then I also added a little bit of black in my waterline. So now I'm going to take the red, not the red, the burgundy. I'm going to smoke that out underneath my lashes. I'm going to also put a little bit of the orange underneath there. If you want to be extra, you can add a little bit of the yellow too because it'll also make it pop. Actually, I'm gonna just add some. I'm gonna highlight my face really quick with this highlighter from Shot with Shiny in the shade Cinnamon Water. And then I'm just gonna add some clear lip gloss from Fearless Faces. I'm gonna add some of this setting spray. It's not really a setting spray. Well, I asked her, she said it's a body spray, but it can't be just a setting spray. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It's so pretty, and it's from Glow Glitters. Can't really see that one, but you can see the pink one really good. But yeah, I'm gonna use the pink one because I like the dewy look that it gives me. Or I just look a 1 to 10, with 1 being the worst and 10 being the best, because I want to know how y'all really feel about my looks. And y'all could be honest. You can give me a 1.5 if you feel like it's a 1.5. I won't be mad, I promise. Okay, y'all, so that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you don't leave without giving this video a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel for more videos, and I'll see you guys in my next one.